Welcome to Boring Car Reviews, where all you need is no charisma and a boring voice. Now, I thought to have a little celebration because I have achieved something. I've crossed the famous 200,000 mile mark, and the car is still going. And yeah, as a little celebration treat to myself, I just thought to make a video and just share the moment that it happened. I'm one of those weirdos that believes that cars are actually built, or should I say designed, to be driven rather than just left there. So what better way to treat myself than this? I thought to share my experience. I mean, 200,000 miles is nothing to be sniffed at. I bought the car when it only had 36,000 miles, and over a period of time, what is it, about 6 years or something like that, I've managed to hit this. It's been fun, and I thought, well, let me just make a few videos just sharing how I got here, why I chose the car, why a convertible. No secret, it's nothing better than driving topless with the roof down, birds singing, music blasting. It's just freedom. And anyway, yeah, just maybe I thought I'll give it a try, give a few series of videos of myself, how I got here, servicing, and some people like to go to the pub. I like to go for a Sunday drive, so I'll show you a few meets I've been to, and just random driving holidays. Well, if you enjoy this, then why don't you join me in my journeys? Alright, catch you in the next videos.